Ankra ye for money na yo.
Yes.
Ye pese busa. Sa wo kasa answer ya na o ka ko sise.
The American say, Mrebebre no, the tin say, or man who she be kesiye, say gold board. Yeah, gold board na, or man benye sika, eye. Nemum enkrofo ati baabi aye to gold no so mu wiye ne sen. Adenti na o meti baabi aye to gold na hia wo mu. Na ese o man ni nyina nso benye sika. Me the American say, si ehwe wo mekodo koko. Onkodo koko say the edi nkan Ghana benye sika o. Okodo koko so onu beye yie. Onu no ye yie no e na Ghana ye yie. Ti de ye bia no, adwuma bi ye ye gyeto a ye. Nanso ye nhwe say ankran ne bedi yie. Wo ma ton niema odwom. Ukohwe uko kumasi edum. Obi ton na de obagije to no abetena ho na wo twerɛtwerɛ no hu to anipa mbetua. Da bi esese ye kɔ bɔne pumsi ye pastor ho de a na ban adwuma eni no ebebu sanse maame akosua. Ekwan be na mefa so aboa wo adwuma no bedi mu. Na adwuma no di mu na wo di yie no ɔman no nso bedi yie. Enu ntina meka sɛ ye ankra yie die. Enunti ni ebebie prosperity centers. Baby a wura ho mewusa wo di mfie aduanan de na ya osminye bibia ekwan we ye faso a ebetimi aboa mo adie. Odi ye no otuato no ma no so adie. Ankra yie die na de o ma no yie die bra.
The hope we've all been waiting for. Now Ghanaians are saying what you are saying it is sweet to their hearings. They are happy that we have such a man after this regime who will take over. They want to know what is the first thing you will tackle when you become president of Ghana? The first thing you will deal with in this country?
I'll tell you one thing. We are yet to pick up nominations and share our vision with the country. There are many things that I know we'll focus on. But my primary goal is how do we transform Ghana so that it can become a developed country. We can be like Singapore, we can be like China, we will merge like Vietnam. So, which means there has to be a robust economic growth of over 10% over a period of time. We have to fight against poverty and win. We have to eliminate poverty from this country. It's not acceptable that 68 years after independence, we are struggling. We've done a lot, but we have to confront the issue of poverty and win. We'll win that fight. So that's the first thing I'll focus on. Lyndon Johnson, 1965, certain areas in America, people were poor, and then he declared war officially against poverty and created what was called the Great Society. So the foundation to getting there, we'll espouse it and we'll explain it, but let me leave it here so that we'll leave something.
One more question. We have heard you. We've been saying the prosperity of the individual for the prosperity of the entire nation.
Incoming president, what former education minister, Dr. Yaw Osei Adutwum. Factor.
What's it? Congrats. Wife and
Good afternoon.
Congrats.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Family member?
Yes, please.
Okay, excellent.
Please, can I have a pic with
Sure.
you? Thank you.
Okay. Also, all right. All the best.
All the best.
And also we pay for something. Oh, sir, you remember?
In the coming days, we want to be asking more questions on behalf of you.
All right.
Thank you, Pa.
And
video.
Bruh. Oh, sorry, selfie.
Okay, the man of the moment.
Okay, Mumrai. Mami, bruh. Mami, Chubby. Mumra. Omucha, mami. Father, mom, I with him. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, sir. Oh, trim.
Incoming president.